was kind of underwhelmed. Yeah, Cannibal was supposed to blow my mind. Instead, it barely raised an eyebrow. Am I crazy? Maybe. But hear me out before you let me have it in the comments. I'm a grandpa who loves roller coasters, and I will be enjoying them until gravity finally wins. And I thought Cannibal was going to be the highlight of my visit to Lagoon. The top dog, the gold ribbon, the Costco sample that made me buy the whole box. It's the ride with all the hype. This guy is over 200 feet to over 200 feet. Known for two big features, the way over vertical drop and the Lagoon roll. So we'll see what those are like. Let's go.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah! I hate this part. And then I hit the brake run. Here is my live, on-ride initial reaction. Okay, I'm kind of underwhelmed. Yeah, underwhelmed. I know this is supposed to be the big thing, but I know people tease other rides about being forceless, but that's how I felt Cannibal was, forceless. The drop was like, I almost think it would have been better as a vertical drop, not a beyond vertical. And the Lagoon roll, I mean, good hang time, but yeah, whatever. And there was sort of this dive loop thing. That was the one good element, I thought. Oh yeah! One good element? Forceless? Whatever? This is not the video I expected to be making about this ride. So, what went wrong? How did I end up being underwhelmed by a roller coaster that is 208 feet tall that goes 70 miles an hour? Maybe there's more to roller coasters than big stats. Or maybe it was just a bad first impression. Or maybe it was something I ate. That'd be kind of ironic for a roller coaster named Cannibal. And speaking of which, cannibals are scary. Their movies are rated R. My first ride felt more like an episode of Barney. The first drop didn't feel like a drop at all, more like a weird inversion with a long pullout. And the Lagoon roll felt like a gimmick that was trying too hard to be cool. Maybe my expectations were too high. I don't know. I mean, okay, I'll give it 3 out of 5 firecrackers for thrill because of that first drop. That, you know, it's ways up there. The lift was kind of fun. I did not realize it was going to tilt on the lift, so that was interesting. For pain factor, 0 ibuprofen. Perfectly smooth, perfectly comfortable. I liked the restraint. It held me quite well on the hang time elements. But here's the hot take on a hot day. For fun factor, flame me in the comments. This is 1 out of 5 shrunken heads for fun. It just wasn't fun. Not fun. How do I reconcile that with the rave reviews, the high ranking Cannibal gets on many enthusiasts' lists? Well, I did what any rational human being would do. I gave in to the logical fallacy of argument from authority. Wikipedia describes the argument from authority fallacy this way. An argument from authority is a form of argument in which the opinion of an authority figure or figures is used as evidence to support an argument. In other words, the enthusiast community loves this coaster. I didn't. I must be wrong. The answer here is a second ride. I'd go in with a clear head. I'm wrong about this ride. Everybody else is right. I just need to have an open mind. For my second ride, I will specifically look for what others see in this ride. So I got another ride on Cannibal, and yeah, it's mid for me. Well, so much for that plan. I know people love it. Knock yourselves out. More power to you. That just does nothing for me. I'm shocked that something that big could be so completely uneventful in my book. But hey, you do you if you like Cannibal. Roast me in the comments. Yeah, the comments on this video should be fun. Cannibal fans, tell me what I'm missing. Cannibal haters, here's your chance to speak up. You have found your people, or at least person. Let's go. I went in expecting adrenaline, and I got melatonin. Don't worry though, gravity is unrelenting and still coming after me, and coming in a big way. Until then, gravity keeps trying to bring me down, but I'm not falling for it.